used to happen where you'd go in and you talk, you say, okay, you want a patio? Here's 3 books. Call me and tell me what you like, and you leave after you get a couple of measurements. And then you don't get an answer for 2 or 3 weeks, and you call them back, well, we haven't picked, we like one in this book, we like one, we want to go see it over there, we want to go. It takes too long, and already now you're 2-3 weeks into the year, and they say, okay, we want to do it. Okay, well, now you can do it in June. Well, what do you mean? Well, because the other people I saw in the last 3 weeks have already picked up those dates. So we're going to start at the beginning with the initial visit. And this isn't anything that you can buy. This isn't anything that we offer other than advice-wise, is observe and ask questions. By asking questions and by observing, I mean you pull up to the house and you see a well-manicured lawn and you see 2 very nice vehicles sitting in the driveway or sitting in the garage. You go into the house and you see beautiful granite countertops and hardwood floors in the dining room. All those things, you just want to put those in the back of your mind. As you're designing their project going forward, you know what types of materials they're looking for. So you can shrink down that big catalog and that big choice of things you have down to here now. Conversely, if it's somebody that has basic, modest things and you know you don't want to go too crazy over the top, you have that selection of products to choose from and offer also. So all these things that I'm going through now are things that are going to save you time and condense that sales time that you have.